Here I have UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to set up a wallpaper on the following device. At the very beginning, select the settings, then scroll down and pick the display, then choose the wallpaper icon, and now it's time to select the source, the album that you want to pick your wallpaper from, for example, the wallpapers. Then pick one from the following photos, let me pick this one, and tap on apply. And finally you have to decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your desktop, or both of them. Let me pick the third option. So it should be set up on both the home screen, and there it is, and the lock screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.